Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sell tickets on your Eventbrite. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sell tickets on Eventbrite, you need to simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL eventbrite.com, which will lead you to the official webpage of Eventbrite. Now simply tap on the option called create an account, and once you have tapped on the option called create an account, once you are logged in into your account, you will be led to this kind of interface. So here you need to tap on start from scratch, and once you have tapped on start from scratch, you will now simply be redirected to a different kind of interface where you can simply build an event on your own. So once you have built an event on your own, you will now be able to add tickets, and once you have added tickets, you need to give all the description, and after it is done, you will be able to sell those tickets on Eventbrite. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more informative videos. We will be back really soon.